Hello grade 7s, this is how to thread your sewing machine. Check that your take-up lever is in the highest position and the presser foot is up. Start by putting your spool of thread on the spool pin. Make sure the thread is coming from behind the spool like this and not from the front of the spool. Next, pull the thread under the thread guide from right to left. We always move from right to left when we thread our machines. Next, pull the thread down the right side of the gray tension bar. The thread will disappear inside your machine. When you get to the bottom of the gray tension bar, pull the thread up the left side, making sure to stay on the right side of the take-up lever. Guide the thread through the eye of the take-up lever by pulling the thread from the right side of the take-up lever, behind the take-up lever, and forwards towards the left. Now guide the thread down along the left side of the tension bar. Guide the thread behind the bottom thread guide and through the loop on the right or left side of the needle by pulling the thread through the opening in the back, like this. Now guide the thread through the eye of the needle and you're done with the top thread. Next, open your machine by sliding the drawer to the left. Tilt open the door to the bobbin area. Hold the bobbin in your left hand so that several inches of thread hang down. Ensure that the thread makes a number 9, like this. Place the bobbin into the bobbin case and guide the thread to the little notch. Floss the thread through that notch and into the opening near the base of the bobbin case. Now, holding the thread in your right hand and the bobbin case in your left, tug on the thread. The bobbin should turn clockwise. That's the way a clock turns. Hold the bobbin in the bobbin case carefully, or else it will fall out and you'll have to start over. Slide the bobbin case into the machine so the hooked arm is pointing up. The bobbin will clip into the machine. The bobbin will also clip into the machine with the hooked arm pointing down, but the machine will not work, so ensure you have the arm pointing up. Next, hang on to the top thread with your left hand. Use your right hand to turn the hand wheel towards yourself one full circle so that the take-up lever disappears into the machine and comes back up again to its highest position. Tug the top thread. See the loop from the thread coming through the presser foot? Pull that little loop out and slide both threads underneath the presser foot. Close the door to the bobbin area and slide the drawer back onto its base. Now you are ready to sew.